Hello guys, welcome to SEO's channel. Here we're going to be doing a lot of unboxing. We're going to be unboxing beautiful items. You don't afford to miss these items. Oh my god, look at it on the way coming to my base. Look at it being packed. Oh, the unboxing will make sense, as in beautiful things. So watch through and make sure you watch to the end so you see the beautiful things we're about to unbox. Look at our oven, 15-liter oven. Oh my god, so beautiful. So join me and let's walk through while we unbox these beautiful items. Okay, if you've not liked this video, do it, so hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, do it to subscribe. All right, because here in SEO YouTube channel, we'll talk about how to make money online, pre-order, how to import and importation, AI, Facebook ads, and all that. Beautiful videos on my channel, how to import. Alright guys, we're going to be unboxing a 7-in-1 smartwatch. Ooh, so fine. This is from our group, so let me bring out one for you to see what it looks like. Wow, looking so lovely. This is the blue color. You see it's having that indicator. That is the blue. Let's see if there's other colors. Yes, there should be other colors, right? I'm just seeing just blue. Let's keep checking. Let's keep checking. It was what I selected. Yes, I selected. Yes, this is black. You select the color you want, and guess what, guys? If I tell you how much we bought the smartwatch, you'll be amazed. And the market price here in Nigeria is not 30k or so, but guess what? In my pre-order group, we did this for 8,000 naira. Are you surprised? So just go through the description button, click on that link and join. Look at, this is the black color. Let's see if I also selected. I know it was what they selected I picked. So it's the color you want. It's so fine. Look at packaging now. It's so fine. Oh my, so beautiful. This is black too. So like my group members selected just black and blue. So that's why I'm seeing this. This is black. This is white. So fine. This is white too. I will have opened one for you to see, but these are people's order, so I won't be able to open for you to see. But at least you can see from there's a transparent this thing there. Wow, I'm so happy. This is yellow. So fine. Alright, so these are 7-in-1 smartwatch. So fine. Alright guys, our keys tablet are here. So let me unbox one for you to see how it looks like. And this is lovely. Oh my god, as in I never expected this kind of packaging. This is color blue. You can see right here, you can see how sealed it is. Okay, let's do that now. All right, so I just opened it. So let's, oh my god, I hold this thing for me. Ooh, wow, this is lovely. Leave it. This is beautiful. Wow, even comes with a handle. Jeez, this is fine. Look at it here. Okay, so look at it. This is the blue, having blue cartoon characters all over for kids. So fine. So you're going to charge it. It comes with, wow, with this a pouch. The pouch is looking so fine. Now let's see what else also comes with us. Wow, look at the accessories. Oh, it even comes with a charger. Wow, with the accessories. Look at the accessories, all these toys. This is fine. This is fine. Look at the car. Oh my! Can you see your car?
Yes.
Everybody like the car? It's so fine. If you missed this, oh my, you miss. Wow. So there's also, wow, look at this. This is lovely. The car has that flies. Now it also comes with a manual. This is beautiful. Like, for real, I never expected this. And at affordable price. Huh? Look, it comes with a pen. Wow, this is fine. Alright. Thank you for watching.
Let me see.
Look at it without the pouch. This is it without the pouch. So look at the pouch outside. So let's on it and see how it is. Alright, that's our 15-liter silver crest. Wow. Wow. Now let me show you how it looks like in real life, as in this is how it is. And when it came, it was just exactly. Watch me as we're going to be showing you how we use it in roasting. See it here. Oh my god. Can you see that? Oh my god, see it. Silver crest, 50-liter. Roasted with this, and it came out so fine. You know, without the use of oil, you know, to avoid cholesterol. Oh my god, look at the doings. Look at the doings. This unboxing of this is making sense, even with the chicken, you know. So if before I forget, I also run a pre-order group. We'll get all these things at an affordable price. So if you want to join my pre-order group, just go to the description button, description icon. You will see my group link. Click on it, come over, join and get affordable things at mouth-watering price. You know, with mouth-watering price, get unique things, items. If I tell you how much this, you will be amazed. Market price of this is very high, but my group members got it in a platter of gold. And look at it now, so lovely. Look at the roasting, so lovely. Alright, who wants to hit the like button, please?